Aluminum fences are sleek and strong, but there's a lot more you can do with them. Let's upgrade it. In this episode of Fence Upgrades, we'll show you how to take your aluminum fence from basic to bold, with more security, more durability, and more style. Start with the top. Adding spear tops or finials not only deters climbing, but gives your fence a classic upscale look. Upgrade your gate hardware. A heavy-duty latch or smart lock system gives you more control and peace of mind. Add solar motion lights to make your yard safer at night and discourage trespassers. Most aluminum fences come pre-coated, but if yours is aging, a fresh powder coat can seal out rust and restore the finish. Reinforce your fence posts with steel inserts or cement footers to increase wind resistance and prevent wobble. Add decorative privacy panels, like laser-cut metal or frosted acrylic, to maintain an open look without being fully exposed. Or go with a natural touch. Planters with tall grasses, hedges, or trellis vines create a soft, stylish privacy buffer. Top it off with decorative post caps. Solar options light your fence at night, while classic shapes add elegance during the day. Customize your gate with an accent color or monogram emblem insert to reflect your personal style. To recap, add spear tops and smart locks for security. Reinforce posts and recoat for durability. Insert decorative panels for privacy. Finish with lights, caps, and custom accents. Make your aluminum fence do more and look better doing it. Visit kaonfenceinc.com or call 781-767-3596 to upgrade your fence today.